Hey guys, it's Savannah. I'm the greenhouse manager here at Tallahassee Nurseries, and we're actually behind the greenhouse right now, and I'm going to show you guys how to repot a plant. Today I have this sad looking ponytail palm, and I think one of the reasons why it does look sad is because it needs to be repotted. It's a little pot bound and it needs more room for its roots. So you can see it's really pot bound. Its roots are just going round and round. So I'm going to put it into a bigger pot today. But first, I want to gently loosen up some of these roots so they will stop growing in this pattern. You can even go in with like a knife or a pair of shears if you want and cut some of the stuff if it's difficult to loosen. I feel like that's pretty good for now. So, got this pot. I'm going to put some dirt on them. Now, it's important when you're repotting a plant, you don't want to bury it too deep, like deeper than it was in its original pot, and you don't want to, bury it too high. Especially with this ponytail palm, I don't want to bury this thick base here. So, seems about right. I'm just going to fill in all the new empty space with fresh dirt. So now this ponytail palm has some room to grow and will hopefully start looking better soon and healthier.